Hi friends, my name is Umang Shah and today I'm going to show you how to save your photos in best image quality. To begin with, go to File menu, click on Export and click on Save for Web. Once the dialog box is open, click on right side, select the format you want to save. The next you have to do is set the quality to 100%. Make sure you have tick marked on Convert to sRGB. And the last thing you have to check is quality on the right corner, make it to bicubic sharper. Once this is done, click on Save. A dialog box will open. Select your destination and file the name and click on Save. The image will be saved in the best quality. Do share your feedback in the comments below and let me know if you want to see such videos. Also, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. See you again.